So tired. It is currently uh 11:20 for me, 11:20 p.m. So I'm going to bed soon, but I figured I'd do another stream today because I've been pretty excited about it all day. In fact, I was a bit too excited. I did a bit of off-camera coding, if you know what I mean. And I actually, our issue that we had yesterday, where the bot, basically, it's like physics would break after it takes damage. I was able to fix it, and the fix is very strange. It's a little hacky, but it's pretty consistent and it works well. So I'm gonna hop in this world and we're gonna make it LAN. I'm then also going to, oh gosh, feels so laggy. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Um, what was I saying? My brain. So basically, here's the fix. The issue was when you hit or when a bot takes damage, it receives like the server sends it a velocity packet, which is essentially the knockback or the like camera tilt, I'm assuming, kind of effect that you get when you take damage. However, on newer versions of Minecraft, or actually it's not even that, it's one of the dependencies of Mindflayer, the library we're using to code the bots. I believe I forgot what the library's called. It's like Minecraft Protocol or something like that. Anyway, it updated its packet formatting to match one of the later Minecraft versions, 26 point whatever, who cares. Point being that the physics library, another dependency of Mindflayer, which handles the bot's physics, it's like not Purper, or something, Perplex, I don't know, something like that. Perplex physics, whatever. It was expecting the velocity packet. So this function basically runs whenever a velocity packet is sent to the bot, and this library forwards it to the physics so the physics can handle it. And the physics is expecting the packet to have three properties: velocity x, velocity y, and velocity z. However, the Minecraft protocol library updated, and instead of having these, it now has velocity.x, velocity.y, and velocity.z instead of these. And so basically, when these are sent, the physics library receives it, and it sees that the values are NaN, or undefined actually. And then when math is done with the undefined, it makes the value NaN. So the bot's positioning, I learned that with this, the bot's positioning would actually be like the x value would be NaN. Like NaN, the y value was fine for some reason, and then z value was also NaN. And that would basically freeze it, because if you do math with any NaN, it's just gonna stay NaN and it's gonna break. So all this does is it takes the updated format and it shoves it back into the old format so that the physics can use it. And now, what that lets us do is it actually makes the bot have physics. So 50924, we're gonna get the bot in the game. Index, join. And yes, I did have AI to help me. Gemini was actually the one that told me about the old packet formatting, which is how I knew that the old, or like the current library expects this. I'm surprised it hasn't been updated yet, but I guess it's just version mismatching or whatever. It'll probably be updated eventually. But anyway, so here's our bot. I can hit it, and oh, I killed it. And it's actually taking knockback, which is absolutely incredible. So now it's basically a fully functioning bot. Well, by functioning, I mean like it's a normal player that we can hit around and stuff. And this serves as the perfect baseline for us to start coding the fun stuff. Yeah, I don't know off the front. I'm trying to zoom. Anyway, so now the fun part actually begins. We can make it do whatever we want. But before we do that, I want to see what the latest Minecraft version is that this supports. Because you'll recall from last stream, we downgraded the Minecraft version. Cosmic's here. We downgraded the Minecraft version because I thought that would hopefully fix the issue. But this fixed the issue. So now we can upgrade the Minecraft version again. Look who's in your stream. I cannot believe it. Honestly, cannot believe it. So Cosmic was streaming right before this. Like, she ended right as I started. And she was streaming for 2 hours when I found her stream. Which is insane. My notifications were set to personalized, so I guess Twitch was like, we're not gonna tell you that she's streaming today. So I didn't get the notification. But that has been fixed. Now I will get all notifications for next time. So anyway, let's also spin up a Minecraft server. But first, let's take a look and see what version Mindflayer of Minecraft version it actually supports. Minecraft version support. There we go. It should be somewhere in this website, hopefully. Can you like work version? Okay, I know we saw it somewhere. We saw it somewhere last stream. Key features? No. With most modern. Is it in the NPM? That wouldn't. Oh, wait, that wouldn't really make sense. Surely not. I don't know. What Minecraft versions does Mindflayer support? Let's just do that. Up to 1 point, specifically tested up to 1.21 point. Where do you see this though? Cosmic said, "Yay!" I don't know what about, but yay! I'm also excited. Yay! I I love streaming. About us? Is it here? Please be here. More admin. I really want it to be the latest Minecraft version, because then we get more features. What is wrong with my internet connection? Something is very, very wrong. Or maybe it's just Mindflayer. I have to do this to silence my internet. Okay, are you gonna load? Potentially. Oh wait, 1.21.8. Oh wait, hold on, it's loading. Grokkapedia? What is Grokkapedia? What is this? Okay, version to modern releases. I mean, should we just pick a... You know what? It doesn't even matter. Yeah, who cares? Let's just stay on this version. Okay, guys, time for the fun part. What should we code first? Cosmic, if you're still here, give me a fun idea. Something not too hectic, but like would be cool that you would like to see the bot to do. And while we wait for a response, I came up with a roadmap today of exactly what I want to be doing with this bot, right? So our first step was getting or joining the game with, okay, I can't English. Make the bot join the game. Okay, this is complete. Now our second step, coding foundations for AI. So this is basically what we'll be doing now, just coding, getting used to the API, the Mindflayer API. That's what I mean. So we can learn how to use it, and then setting up a base for a large language model to use. That is incomplete. Then we will connect. Oh, there's a bug on my screen. Get off my screen. Nope. No, don't, no. Get off. It's gonna go on my keyboard. Please. Did it go on my keyboard? I don't know where it is. Oh no, it's on my desk. Jeez, that thing is feisty. It did not want to leave. Okay. Frick, I got distracted. Okay, so then we need to connect the bot to a large... Is that what LM stands for? Large language model? I know LM is language model. Yeah, it's large language model. Connect it to a large language model or to let it control the bot. And I've been brainstorming how we're going to do this. it's pretty cool. We're going to basically here, it's here. So I'm gonna like give this prompt to the AI every time, the LLM, telling it that it's like the brain of a Minecraft bot or whatever. We tell it how we want it to play. Then we tell it how it should respond, which will be in JSON specifically, because JSON is a very nice format, especially for JavaScript. I'm gonna get attacked by something. Oh, never mind. The bot's gonna get it. I'm just gonna go up here. Lol. I think it respawns instantly. Yeah, it does. Big rips. Anyway, end this death cycle. So yeah, it's gonna return JSON. In JavaScript, we can then understand what the bot returned and then handle its response accordingly. So for example, we could send like chat, and then we would make the bot chat. We could make it move to. This will be handled by a thing called baritone or whatever, which is pathfinding, which will like make the bot move. It can look at stuff, equip items, use items, mine blocks, etc., etc. Now this, I came up with this. I'm sure it's been used before, but I think it's really clever. Where basically the bot, along with all of these things, it will also be able to set its own remember short term and remember long term. You can read here what it does, but basically the AI can specify like memory for itself, and the short term and long term string memory arrays will basically be returned to the AI in every prompt, so that it'll be able to see what it was doing last. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, well, it's fine. It'll make sense later, probably. So yeah, I think it's gonna be really cool. And then by doing this whole setup, we should be able to create a Minecraft bot that we can go and ask to do things like literally find a village and gather like hay bales, and it'll travel maybe 1,000 blocks and like go and find a village and come back. Who knows? Possibilities are endless. Oh, the other thing. First we need to get a local large language model running, which basically means like Gemini and big online AIs that you use on like web browsers, we can get one of those running on our own computer locally, which will just make the bot interact a lot quicker. Okay, enough of me yapping. I don't think Cosmic's here anymore, so let's just come up with something to make. Let's do a basic. Okay, first let's make it look at us, right? So the bot will look at us if we're nearby. And to do that, I'm just getting rid of some stuff we don't need. To do that, I have no idea, so let's go to Gemini. Yay. In MindFlayer, how do I make the bot look at the nearest player? Okay, let me keep this here so you can see. You know what, I can do this. On physics tick. So yeah, physics tick I believe runs every game tick, so 20 times a second. Okay, I saw this on a YouTube video as well. We find the nearest player. So nearest entity, and then we can provide a filter. I'm just gonna put this in here. There we go. So the filter basically checks that the nearest entity is a player. So if it finds an entity that's closer than a player, that's not a player, it'll skip over that and go to the next nearest entity until it finds an actual player. Then it's saying if there is a target, if there is a player that's near, look at their eye location, which is their position plus height. So target dot position and then add their height. Okay, cool. So now if we test this out. Ah, great. Oh, the bot's just been dying. I feel so bad. Just kidding. I don't. Do weather cycle false, weather clear, time set 3,000. We don't have Optifine on this version either, so no shaders. Oh well. Don't kill my bot. Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay. So we're gonna end this bot's life temporarily and bring it back. And once it's back, there we go. It's looking at us. That's so cool. See, doing stuff with this library is so easy. It's really cool. Okay. We can also grab direct examples from the website like we did yesterday in last stream. That could be pretty helpful. But AI is also pretty good at generating stuff, so. Oh, what is this? Many other things set into, I don't care. Okay, let's start making the bot do things on chat. So basically we can type something in chat. Okay, good night, Cosmic. Sleep well, thanks for popping in. We can, oh my gosh, this bot is getting, oh, it died. Okay then, where'd it go? It's gone. The bot is gone. Oh, there it is. You know what? Bye-bye. There we go, much better. How do I listen for chat events? So we can put in chat like jump, for example, and then the bot will jump. Chat event listener, so bot.on chat. And then is it message, username, comma, message. So then we can do username sent in chat and then message. So let's just see it that this works. Should I use NodeMon? I'm just worried that the bot's gonna be reconnecting too fast. But we might as well try use it because if it does work, it's gonna make our life a lot better. Install NodeMon. So for those of you who don't know, once again, for the 0 people in this stream, NodeMon, there we go. Oh, what? Hello? Oh, I'm stupid. npm install nodemon save dev. Nodemon is basically just a tool that makes it that instead of having to type node index every time we make changes, all we simply have to do is do, here, let's do this. We make this one script called where we do nodemon. So instead of node, we do nodemon and then the file name. And that basically makes it that whenever we make a change in the project, so like if I delete these stupid semicolons, it will automatically refresh and the bot should hopefully rejoin. I'm just worried that it's going to be too fast, but it seems like it's fine. .z. There we go. Okay, cool. So now the bot will automatically reconnect with the updated code every time we make changes. Let's just get rid of all these other stupid semicolons. There we go. Because they're optional and I don't like them. Okay, lovely. Lovely, guys. So now chat. So basically, let's test that the bot is, oh, doesn't seem like it's working. Bot on chat. If I, oh, it left the game. Oh wait, yeah, it left because I made it leave, lol. Oh, I'm doing console. Okay, I'm just stupid, lol. npm run dev. Yeah, so whenever I type something in chat, hello world, that you can see on the left, it shows up in the Node.js console, which is perfect. Okay, so that's great. So now, my question is, does it, let's do this, set timeout. If we make the bot chat, does the chat event run for the bot itself? Because that would be a bit strange, and then we would have to check that it's not the bot, because then the bot would be able to give itself instructions to do. Like if the bot says jump, it'll jump. That would be weird. So let's do this const.log chatting, and then we'll do bot.chat. I believe that's all we have to do. I am a stupid bot. Okay, there we go. So now it's going to rejoin, and after 2 seconds, there we go. Okay, yes. So the event runs for the bot itself. So we need to check that, where is it? If username is equal to bot.username, then return. So essentially ignore bot messages. Okay, so let's try this again. It's gonna join. There we go. It chatted and this did not run for the bot. But if I chat, Perfect. Okay. So now we can give the bot instructions. So let's do if message equals jump. So if we type jump in chat, then bot dot set, I believe it's control state. Is it control state? I can't remember how to do this. Bot dot, that is not how this works. Is it? Oh, it is. That's interesting. Dot jump. True. Okay. So now, where is it? Let's bring it up here. Put it on a little pedestal thingy. Why did... Hello? Are you okay, buddy? What was that? Are you lagging? You good, bro? You good, man? What? It appears to be a bit laggy, but it is working. Just, very slowly. So if I do this... I wonder, why is it lagging? Like, that's weird. That is so bro. What? What is happening? Why? Is that another problem? I don't know. It still works either way. Like, I don't really care about it too much. Oh my days. And it's just for teleporting. Like, everything else seems to work fine. And it's not like the bot will be teleporting much. Okay, cool. So we have it here. And now, if we type... Let's clear chat. If we type jump... Yay, it does nothing. That's fantastic. Oh gosh, we have errors. Oh. Wait, is this from the... I wonder if that's from the teleport. Or the... Oh, it left. Okay, well. Okay, let's try teleporting, because if it's an error, then that means it's fixable. But I don't think the teleport lagging is the result of an error. Pretty sure that's the jump. Okay, let's tell it to jump again. Once it... Yep, it's the jump. Let's just go check the examples. I'd rather check examples than check AI. AI is stupid. Let's see. What am I looking for? Pane. Code. There we go. Examples. Jumper. There we go. Oh, wait. Is this how I make it walk? Oh, I understand. It's like set control states. That is literally, you're telling it to like hold down a key. I think. I'm pretty sure that's what it means. So, oh, I see. So I basically had it right. I just had to use a string called jump instead. And then we set that's true. Okay, so now it should hopefully jump when we tell it to. Let's go. Now it's holding down spacebar to jump. Only issue is we can't tell it to stop. So let's add a way for it to stop. Let's do bot.set control state jump false. Oh wait, else if message equals stop jump. Okay, so we can say jump, and then we can say stop jump. Perfect. Okay, should we make it try walk? I think that'll be cool. So let's add another command. Else if walk. I believe that's forward or front. It's one of them. I was right, forward. Let's go. Oh, attack. Oh, sick. Okay. Oh, okay. We'll do that next. Actually, you know what? We can just copy this. Like, we can just copy this and then play around. Oh, there's so much. There's so much. Jeez Louise. TP My eyes are burning. I need to sleep. It'll be midnight in 15 minutes. I'll end stream it at midnight. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Let's just code it ourselves. So we have forward, and then we'll also include... Nah, it's fine. It's fine. Forward. Oh, wait, no, walk. Lol. Oh. Oh, wait, what? Oh, that's interesting. So, unlike the player, the bot literally walks wherever it's looking. So if it's looking straight up, that means it walks upward, but obviously it can't walk upward, so it gets stuck. And because it's always facing me, it's always gonna follow me down. That was an unintended side effect, but that's pretty cool. I now have a player that always follows me, and I can hit it. This thing's actually so annoying. Oh my gosh. We just coded the most annoying bot. Oh wait, what did I even name? Oh, I didn't even rename the stream. Anyway, it's fine. This thing's so annoying. Wait, can I trap it? Oh, it is trapped. It can't jump. Okay, so this brings us to the next thing. Let's try use Pathfinder. I think that's a good idea. Because if the bot can actually move around, that'll be really cool. Then we can make a command that'll make it walk to us. And then it should be able to... It should even be able to place blocks and bridge if it needs to, apparently. That's what I saw. Like a text something say somewhere. So Pathfinder, there we go. GPS. Okay, so if we... Oh, okay, so it's like a plugin for the library. So we're gonna have to install another extension, which is fine, obviously. Pathfinder, movements, goals, goal near. I don't know how any of this works, but I do know we're gonna have to install that. Okay, range goal, get within the radius of the player. Bot.load plugin. Okay, so we have to load this plugin, which makes sense. And we do that right after the bot is made. Pathfinder. Okay, cool. So that's the actual plugin. Bot.want. Okay, spawn, default move, new movements. Oh, interesting. I guess that makes sense. We should put the bot inside on spawn. Bot.on. Oh, actually once. Spawn. So that way, in case we chat before the bot's like fully spawned in, it's not gonna break. It'll only listen for chat messages after it's spawned in. Okay, so yeah, and then let's also put physics tick in here, just because. Okay, perfect. So now. Okay, cool. Look, they added the check that we added. Lovely. If message does not come. Okay, so we can do... We'll keep jump because jump is cool. And then we'll... Yeah. Else if... Goodness me, not 9. Message equals come. So if we type come in chat, it is going to do this. Okay, let's figure out what this does. So we get the target bot.players.username. Oh, I see. So this is a way of getting the players in the game username. Okay, so then this is our username. So it gets our player instance entity. Okay, so it gets our physical entity. If there is none, so for some reason, okay, yeah. So if we chat, but we're like far away from the bot, it doesn't see us. So then it's gonna say like, I can't find you. Oh, okay, never mind. Let me stop being stupid. Then we get the position of us. Player X, player Y, player Z. And then we do bot.pathfinder set movements. Bot.path default move. What is this? What is it? That's not a thing. Is it defined up here? Oh, it is. I see. So we define that there. New movements. How does this work? So it takes in the bot. Yes, it does. Can dig. Oh, sick. Okay, wait. So that means, I'm assuming that means we can, like, when we tell it where to go, we can also specify what we want it to be able to do. So, like, whether it can dig, open doors. That's cool. This is going to be so much fun to play with. Allow 1x1 towers, so it's going to be able to build up. Free motion, I don't know what that means. Parkour. Oh my gosh. It's going to be able to do parkour. Guys, this is going to be so much fun to watch. Okay, sick. Let's just name that movement. And then set movements. And then set goal. New goal near. Oh, so there are multiple goal types. Goal block. Goal near. Goal XC. Goal near XC. Goal Y. Interesting. I see. So there's a bunch of like different goals we can set. Composite any. Don't know what that means. Invert. Follow. Oh, so okay, that's so cool. So we can just make it follow. Oh, let's do that. Let's do that. We can just make it follow us, and then it'll do whatever it needs to follow us. Okay, yeah. That sounds really cool. Goal follow. Okay, let us duplicate this and comment that out just so we can like keep it. And then we're going to do goal follow. And then we need to see what the parameters are. Okay, entity. So that will be our player. So target range. So let's set that to like 5. So that's all we need. And then let's do if the target is not null, then we'll also chat. We'll say like I'm coming or something. I'm coming. Okay. This will be so cool. I hope this works. Slash. No. Wait, it left the game. Oh, we never started it again. Lols. There we go. Okay, so if I say, come, I'm coming. Guys, it's following us. Oh, the things. Oh, I see. Okay, so it stops once it reaches us. So if I do come again. So, okay, so oh, it's lagging. I'm assuming that's 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3. It's kind of 5 blocks. Let's go to like a more flat area so that we can actually measure this. Let me just do this. Dirt towers all the way. Okay, there we go. TP. Okay, let's put it down here. There we go. It can lag up here as usual. And I say come. I'm coming. Okay, let's make sure we're on a block. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it is within 5 blocks. So now if I set where is it? Let's make the target like 2 blocks. So it's gonna come within 2 blocks of us. So if I now say come again, I'm coming. Perfect. 2 blocks. Thank you for your services. Lol. I'm already bullying the spot and it's not even sentient yet. Okay. Next thing I want to test. So if I move around, it does like it's not gonna just move to my location. I believe it will. Oh my gosh, it's so fast. It's so fast. Oh, did it stop? Oh, it's stuck. We didn't like specify that it could like break blocks and things. So now it's just stuck. Okay, so if I do this, there we go. So it follows until it's so quick as well. This is actually terrifying. Like if I made this a mini game, that is so scary. Let me through. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh wait, it stopped. Did it catch up? It must have. Oh no, it got stuck. Bro can't even pathfind. That's shocking. So if I go up here, like it can get up here. It can go that way, but it's not smart enough to. So it just walks in a straight line. Pretty much. Oh my jeez. It's breaking blocks. That is terrifying. That's actually so scary. It just placed a block. I'm terrified. This bot is already half sentient and we've barely even see, like, this library handles all of these features for us. Is it gonna break blocks to get up here? No ways. Okay, it's not the smartest. Did it get to us? It might have. Let's see if it can get up here. I don't think it can. Okay, let's go like on this hill. That should be doable. I just want to see how well it can actually pathfind. It seems pretty poor. Because it's like running into walls and stuff. Which is like weird because it can literally break and place blocks, but it's not good enough to pathfind normally. But I'm sure there's a way to fix that. We just need to like improve it. Goal follow. Okay. So okay, let's use this instead. So this will basically make it go to our position where we were when we said come. So if I come over here and I say come, and then I move, it's still gonna go there. Wait, what? No, it's following us. Huh? Why are you following me? Why you should not be following me? What? Hello? Why are you following me? That's creepy as heck. Now, having a like, this is not a real player. This is freaking code, and it's like acting like a real. What the frick? Oh, okay, wait. Now it's just doing the stupid. Oh, I wonder if that's why it's been. Wait a second. No, because set control state. We only did. What if we stop this so we don't make it look at us? Because I'm worried that might be affecting the code. Come. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So, yeah, the movement was being affected by the head, like, rotation. So let's say come over here. There we go. Now it looks like it's actually pathfinding. Damn, that is so cool. Okay, let's see if we can get on top of a tree. No ways. No ways. It's gonna straight up stack up. Is it? Oh, I think it's within 2 blocks. I'm not sure. If I push it in water, it's gonna drown, right? Yeah. Okay, let's say get on top of this dirt pillar. That's so... It's literally doing parkour. What? That's insane. This bot is like on steroids. That's actually crazy. It's insane how much this library handles for you. This has got to be probably my most favorite JavaScript library. It's just so cool. Like, I didn't have to code any of the... Bruh. Are you stupid? Okay. What if I do this? How are you gonna get up here? It's just gonna... Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Now, what if I make it really high? How is it gonna handle this? It's trying to stack up, but it's not able to. Oh, it is. It's just like weird. Bruh. It gave up. It's breaking now. There, so now it's going to try stack up again. Why is that? Why is it doing that? Is it going to... It's going to make a staircase. Oh gosh. I wonder if this surely this has nothing to do with the fact that it lags when it TPs. Damn, it's trying really hard. And like it should be able to. But I don't know. What if we need to change some of the settings here? Actually for movement. Bot. I want to know what these are by default. Crazy. So basically, I just want to set all of this to true so it can do everything. Just in case, you know? It feels like a lot of it's already true, but... Movement dot can open doors, true. Movement dot don't create flow. True. Oh wait, what? Don't create flow? Movement dot don't mine under falling block. Don't. Okay, we don't care about that. Movement dot allow 1x1 towers. True. So that's what I was trying to do. Allow free motion. I don't know what that is, but we'll set it to true anyway. Allow parkour 100%, bruv. Movement dot allow sprinting. Let's set that to false because we know it's been sprinting because of how freakishly fast it is. So let's see what it's like when it's not able to sprint. Oh my gosh, this always happens to its head. It like turns and looks in unnatural. Oh my gosh, what have I done? What have I done? Oh, that's terrifying. Oh gosh. Anyway, let's try this again, shall we? Okay, yeah, so it seems like it still can't build up. That's cool. I can even like hit it and it'll still try. Okay, it can't sprint anymore. So that's pretty cool. But we'll set it back to true because why not? I wish I could actually build up. It really should be able to. Okay, so let's say come. What is it doing? Oh, so now it can... It's freaking bridging. What was that? It did like a backwards 3... Huh? Okay, sure. Sure, I guess. Also, how far is it able to go? Probably within render distance, right? Maybe not even. We'll try like 1,000 blocks away. So yeah, at this point, we're basically just testing and finding the library's limitations so I can see how much I'm able to actually do with this bot straight out of the box. It can travel a significant distance. Like, this is very impressive. This is incredibly impressive. Honestly, absolutely love this library. And then it swims. So cool, dude. Okay, let us try get it to come up here. I don't know why it's not able to build up. Wait, what? How? It was able to place the front. It's working. It's working. It's working. It's working. Please. Work. You're smarter than this. Believe in yourself. Oh, okay. Oh, okay then. Oh my gosh. What is it doing? What is it doing? Oh, it's cooking itself. Oh my days, dude. At this point, it's just a random block placer. It's a block randomizer. Bro. Bro, get good at the game, man. It's not that hard. Okay, it is getting there though, slowly but surely. I wonder if it's because of... Nah. I thought it might be because it was like slightly hitting its head. Or the fact that there was a block 3 blocks above it was like messing up the timing. But That does not seem to be the case. Weird, bro. It's just gonna jump forever. Surely it's not that hard to get the timing right. Surely. Because this sucks. It can basically... It seems like it can traverse anything. Except for stacking up. Why are we on an island? Let's go all the way over here and see if it can come here. Oh, I don't see you. Damn. Okay. But we can hard code coordinates. Let's try this. Oh, also we made it. Let's see. Render distance, or like, oh, view distance. So we can make it far. So it should be able to see me further now. I'm not sure how much further. The server's also got a limit. Doesn't see me still. Let's try here. There we go. Okay, it's coming. Is it going to be able to come all the way over to there? There it is. Let's give it glowing. Effect, give glowing so that we can follow it. This is really cool. It seems like it's working. It's smart too. Like, it knows that running along the side of water is faster than going straight through the water. So, like, very, very nice pathfinding algorithm that they've used. Yeah, it's gonna go all the way. What if we told it to jump down into a cave? How would it get down? Would it just jump? What is this? That is not ominous at all. Yep, that's basically where I was, I think. Yep, it's climbing the trees. So cool, dude. Okay, let's see what happens if we tell it to come down here. Okay, it's gonna swim, obviously. Can it actually swim? Like, swim? Because right now, it's not being very efficient. What the heck are you doing? Also, does it take... Can I... Oh my days. What does it do? Bro? You good, bro? It's spazzing out. It doesn't know how to get down. Yeah, I think we broke it. Okay, I don't know. I don't know why it went there. That's pretty strange. Must have something to do with the pathfinding algorithm. So, it's interesting. The bot can still push us, but we cannot push the bot. That's like weird. We can hit it, obviously, but very strange. So, and what if there was water down here? Okay, it's probably in range. Come. Oh, it's mining down now. That's so cool. Okay, so it knows to like not kill itself. And if we put water, it just falls into the water. That's so cool. W bot. Okay, now the real challenge is getting out. What if I give it a bucket? Is it smart enough to use the water to like escape? Okay, let's see what it does. Oh my gosh, it's just gonna mine out. It's just gonna mine out. Buddy, you have blocks. Use the blocks. That was a great use of your time. Nah, I think it's broken. Okay, what if we drop this? Pick it up. There we go. Or what if we drop it like a stack of dirt? Is it gonna see that it's got dirt now? Oh yeah. Ugh. Back to this 1x1 stacking problem. The bot would be OP if it could actually stack up. It would be perfect. But of course we keep running into like random little problems. Oh, okay, it's kind of doing it slowly. It's like, oh my days, it's actually working. Sick. Okay, wait, it can actually stack up. I don't know what it was doing earlier. Maybe it just like didn't have enough blocks. Crazy. It's actually stacking up. I'm really tired. It's midnight now. That's not good. I'm gonna be so tired tomorrow. And I had to get up early today. Well, yesterday. It is actually doing it. What if I increase the tick rate? I don't... Oh, wait, that's not a thing in 1.16. Damn. I don't think the bot would be affected. Because it's still a player. Crazy. Okay, yeah, it's trying to stack up still. But then I don't understand. Maybe it would have been able to climb tower. Yeah, just break the block, dude. Just break the block. Well, I guess this would be faster if it could actually like do it. So if I told it to now get up here, come. Is it gonna... Oh, it's just trying to build up again. Man, okay, let's see if we can try fix this. My Mind Flayer bot is not stacking up a 1x1 tower properly. I'm using, okay, what are we using? It's called, oh, wait, this is not the library that was recommended. And when it has to make a 1x1 tower, it jumps a lot and then occasionally places a block. Like the timing is off. Okay, let's see if there's any solutions. We might even swap to a completely different pathfinding library. It's trying to calculate the execute scaffolding movement simultaneously with its fit. If the bot's velocity is slightly off, I see. Allow, yes, that is on. That's interesting. Slow down the bot's physics slightly. Okay, it got there. It did well. Wbot. Just took a while. Increasing this can stabilize movement. Okay, I mean, we can try. I don't know exactly what that does, but like, might as well try. Is it not gonna rejoin? Are you serious? AI's lying to us. That's not a thing. Bot.physics. What is this? Slightly increasing arrival. That will not change anything. Make sure your bot is centered perfectly. You can force this. Why is this problem? It is currently occupying. It's slightly inside. That is not gonna fix it. Use a dedicated towering function. Oh, so I can code my own towering. I mean, obviously, but that's like a lot of effort. I mean, it's here. I could copy paste. Tower up. Interesting. Oh goodness me. Okay, so bot.physics is null. Because that could be a fix if it's a real thing. But I'm pretty sure AI just lied to us. Because it doesn't actually... Oh... My bad. My bad. This is where we have the spawn function. Okay, there we go. Let's try that again, shall we? Come up here. Nope. Still just as bad. Maybe? What is... I still... Like, I don't know what it does. I don't know what yield interval does. Let's tell it to come up here. Could be better? Or it's just luck. It's probably luck. I don't know. It doesn't seem... But still, there's no way like changing a stupid little value is fixing it. Okay, let's try again. Oh, it placed it instantly. Is there another pathfinding library / plugin that is better? It's actually going faster, and all I'm doing is increasing this value. I don't know what that means. I don't know why it's doing that. For being jittery with physics. Yeah, but whatever that is, baritone. That's the one I saw earlier. Interesting. To prevent... Yeah, sick. That sounds cool. Give me that. Minor org. Okay, sure, whatever. Let's install that. Let's get rid of the other one. Did I do something? Pathfinder. Oh. Okay. Lovely. What is this? Original pathfinding plugin. I do need it though. I need to break and place blocks. Or at least I want. Oh, that's pretty cool. Buddy, why? Where is this thing? Oh gosh, okay. Those things are so annoying. Pathfinder. Okay, this is good to know. I can make it like feel like a player, which sounds cool. How? Okay, wait. Let's just do this. Let's tell it to rewrite our code, but in the format of the new library. Actually, no, it's gonna mess up everything. Write a thing with baritone that makes the player walk to a coordinate. A chord. Yes, oh wait, huh? But I already got a plugin. Okay, it's that. It's fine. Maybe not. Maybe I can just get this. Because this one looks weird. Let me do that. Oh. Okay, we need what we have. That's fine. So we got baritone. Gonna comment that out. We have baritone, and then we load the plugin like usual, and then we... Oh wow, it said it's more complex, but this is like simple. That's like one line of code. It's even simpler than what we had last time. I'll comment this out in case we want to go back to the old what's it called, the old thingy. Okay, here, player X, player Y, player Z. Okay, so it now should hopefully work. npm run. Oh, it crashed. Maybe it's hallucinating. npm baritone. Let's see. Okay, so this is the installation. Let's just make sure we... Hello? Did it not copy? It's so annoying when it does that. Let's just make sure it copied the right thing. I believe it did, yes. 4.5.1, good. Move testing. Okay. Forward up, test moves. Okay, so here we have interesting origin world. Oh, this is actual tests. Okay, we don't want that. Index. Ooh. Wait, this is good. This is all the same stuff as the one we were using before. I just don't know how to actually use it. How do we use it? Index or D? I don't know what that means. Nah, these are like classes and stuff. README. Let me just look at the README, honestly. Smart pathfinding. Yep, okay. Okay, it can even swim, apparently. Ladder climbing. Partial path handling. Very cool. Okay, oh, perfect, perfect. Okay, this is good. So it's basically like, it's pretty much like exactly the same as the one we used first. Yeah, okay, AI was just lying to us. This is why we look at examples. Okay, so we get the loader, which is the pathfinder, and then goals. But couldn't I just do this? I think that's the same thing. Probably. And then I can get rid of that. Okay, and then we get vec3, which I'm assuming is what we need to handle positions. Okay, then we make the create the bot, load the plugin, pathfinder, custom physics use. Do not use bot.load plugin if you want custom physics. I don't think we want custom physics, but that sounds cool. Bot.wait for chunks to load. Is that a thing? Should I like include that? Might as well. Probably won't add harm, but it might add good, so. Okay, then we create a goal and goal exact. Okay. Ash Finder. I don't know what that means. Oh, it's a plugin? Strange. I wonder if it's a built-in plugin. Anyway, let's put in the player chords, player Y, player Z. Lovely. Okay, let's see how all this works. Please don't break. It shouldn't break because we got this code directly from the website. Oh, wait, what the heck? Where is await? Oh, here. Oh, my bad. Whoopsie, we gotta add an async. Oh my days, dude. Are you okay, async again. We don't even need that, but whatever. Again? Baritone is not baritone. How do you say this stupid thingy thing? Oh, okay, wait, how do you look? Pathfinder, okay. Yeah. Work. Nope. Plugin needs to be bruh. Where is it? Here. Yeah. What? How does that make sense? Because we're practically copy pasting the code, unless this does have to be two separate things. Oh yeah, I'm stupid. Because the one is loader, the other one is goals. Okay, so goals is fine, but this one is actually loader as Pathfinder. Okay, there we go. Nope, never mind. Oh, this is just old code. Yeah, we can get rid of this. And this, I don't know what the heck that does. Okay, it's finally working. Let's tell it to get over here. Come. It is not coming. How strange. What if we just tell it to come here? Nope. Oh my gosh, shut up. I'm gonna push him to the cave. Yes. No, what are you doing? I hit a stupid llama. Yes. Bye-bye. Okay. Why is this not working? I guess we'll give it to AI. Is the pathfinding not working? Yeah, but like that doesn't make sense to me. And this is in the actual. Wait, what? Wait, no, where did I get this code from? Ash Finder? That's not a. Am I stupid? Where did I get this code? That. Oh, here. Oh. I'm so. Okay. Yeah, so load plugin Pathfinder, which you get from loader. Where is it? Yes. Okay, fantastic. And then, yeah, it says Ash Finder. That cannot be right. That cannot be right. I'm gonna change this back to Pathfinder and see if anything changes. Come. Oh, it immediately left the game. That was not supposed to happen. Read properties of undefined. Oh. Okay, Pathfinder is null. What if we do loader? Probably also null. But that's what is here. So I'm just trying to be logical. Come. I left the game immediately. Oh, pain. Ash Finder. Well, guess we'll use that again. Or, I mean, we could just do what Gemini said and use baritone. Oh, oops. Okay, it ain't coming. I don't know what you're saying, but you ain't coming. Baritone. See, it's also not something we can click on. I'm actually so tired. I need to go to bed. But I really want this to work. Come. Nope. Yeah. Why? Why? That's so weird, bro, because this is like exactly from the website. What if we just straight up copy paste this? It keeps using Ash Finder. But that's so weird. Like, what is Ash Finder? Also, where is this? Yeah, it's baritone, but it's Ash Finder. Why is Ash Finder? I mean, why is baritone's thing called Ash Finder? Weird, man. Weird. I'm just gonna copy paste this. Use this to help. Oh my eyes. It's 12:30. I actually have to go sleep. Yeah, so it's ashfinder.goto. But then when I say come, it doesn't come. What if I hit it off? Oh my, oh, it's working. Oh, it's just gonna get down. Wait, what? It's actually working. I had a suspicion. But that's dumb. It should be able to get down from a tower. Unless we have to manually enable breaking and placing. In which case, fair enough. Like, that makes sense. That we would have to enable that. Come up here. Is it able to? Yeah, I can do parkour. Sick. Okay. And what if it actually does need to place blocks? It can't. It just can't. Okay. How do I let it place and break blocks? No, man, there's a easy way. Oh, wait, what? It's moving. Bro just took a while, but it's trying now. Weird. Who knows how that algorithm works? Can I do that? Is it that simple? Wait, let's see. So if I did bot.ashfinder.enable. Oh, sick. Sick, bro. Enable placing. And then I said come. It's working. It's working beautifully. That's fantastic. Bro, this bot's freaking on crack. This bot's on freaking crack. Did you see that? That's ridiculous. I can't even do that. I'm joking, I can. I'm so good at this game. Oh, I actually did it. What? Oh, I can actually do it. What? Oh, what? Okay. Yeah, sorry. My bad. Come up here. Bro is not coming. Maybe I probably need enable braking or something. Enable braking. Okay, now come up here. No? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Oh, it left the game. Why did it leave? Call start. Because there was already one running. Come here. Yeah, so it comes there. And then, like, none of them are fully reliable. They all have their own problems, which is very weird. I have a suspicion it's gonna move eventually, like it did last time. Oh gosh, I actually have to go to bed. I have to be able to wake up tomorrow. I'm losing sleep actively. You gonna work, bro? Oh, it's working. Why are you parkouring on the tree? Go swim. Oh, did I? Is it because swimming is disabled? Oh, that's probably why it took so long, because it's having to like do calculations. Oh, it fell. Interesting. Okay, I mean, it can do it. It just sometimes takes long to calculate. Strange. What if we did goal near? Maybe that would make it a bit faster. I don't know if that's actually how it works. Okay, position and then distance. So we'll set a distance of like 2. And then let's ask it to come up here. Yeah, it's still taking long. It's going to do some calculations. Let's enable swimming as well. Bot.ashFinder dot set. What was the thing? I swear I just saw something. Swim. How do I enable swimming? ashfinder.config. That is not a thing. There's get, reset, set, keystring, swimming, true. I don't even know if that's the thing. Has own this key. Okay. Oh, well, that's not useful. This. Ooh. Oh, there we go. So, swimming is true by default. Okay, well. Parkour is true. Place and break are false by default. That's why we had to enable them. Check break up nodes. Pro parkour. Pro parkour is an option? Pro parkour? Enable pro. Oh. Wait, there's parkour and there's pro parkour. Enable. That's so weird. Dot set pro parkour true. Then there's fly. Wait, actually, I think we can do that. Dot enable flight. Enable flight. Okay, let's see how that affected things. Why did it leave? Oh, are you serious? No elytra? It needs elytra. Okay, then. Come here. So the only thing we've changed is pro parkour, but it's fine. I could probably do something where it's like it uses both libraries, because the other one seems to be faster. It just can't stack up. So then what I do is I use this one we're using now, baritone. But if the bot stands still for like 2 seconds, it means it's thinking for too long. So then we swap over to the other library. Okay, now it's moving. And then we use it to sort of like get going. And then once the bot is like close enough to the target, it swaps back to baritone. That might help. I cannot believe how sentient. Okay, it's not really sentient. It's not sentient, but I meant it's kind of smart, but it's also not that smart. It's still weird, but it's crazy how much it can do. Look at this. Yeah, this is definitely way better than. That's fantastic. That is just utterly beautiful. Like, wow. Let's see it get down into the cave. Wait. Also, first, let's test it over, like, a longer range. Because the other library was fantastic at that. This one seems to take a while. Oh, wait, it's going. Hello? You good, bro? What is that? What is that? What is it doing? Goodness me. Okay, there we go. It's going. It's going. It's swimming. I think it would be faster to run, but anyway. And then if I had to make it come down here. Why did... Oh, it's because there was one running already. Yeah. Let's also change the username. There we go. What other test should we do? I do want to test the cave. It's going to probably just jump into the water, so let's get rid of that. What if we gave it a water bucket? Also, where is it? Tag. Where did this bot go? I'm terrified now. Oh, wait. Oh, gosh. It's a new username, so it's going to be like far. TP. Oh, wow. Okay, this is going to be a challenge. Oh, it's going. It's going. Okay, wow. So, like, it thinks for a little bit. It really doesn't think for that long. But still, the other library is a lot quicker. And I feel like the other library is almost smarter as well. Because I think, yeah, last time it like built there or like walked along and then it built across, which is probably faster. Maybe it's not. Surely it's got to be faster. Like, what is it doing? It's going to swim along here. Like, that is really stupid. Probably. I think it's stupid. So yeah, if the other library had, like, if the stacking worked properly, it would be perfect. But this library does get the job done. It just takes a bit at the start, but that is not that big of a deal. And it might seem worse. It seems a little worse. I don't know. Because it's like going through the ocean. Wait, did bro just give up? What are you doing? You're gonna drown. Huh? Buddy. Buddy. You good, bro? And he's dead. It's actually a majestic scene, not gonna lie. My days, how much health do you have? Oh, what? Now you're sentient? Oh, I guess he was thinking. How are you not dead? Oh, lol. That's so stupid. Like, you swam up and he died anyway. Are you gonna try again? Where are you? So if you punch it in water, then big rips, I guess. Because then it needs to think for long again in order to, like, fix its positioning. Oh, maybe I'll just stick with the old library, to be honest, because like the amount of time that this bot spends thinking would be the same as the other bot taking time to stack up. Okay, I think it stopped. Let's just test it by coming over here. Yeah, okay. And then let's make it go into the cave. No, I don't want it going through the ocean again, though. It's going to take so long. Let's make it come here. Okay, let's see. Bro is over here. I can spectate him as well. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Believe in yourself. I'm so tired. I'm being stupid. I should just go to bed. What am... Oh, it's going. It's going. Let me spectate you. There we go. That's pretty cool. Wait, there's even like, you can see like the head moving up and down. It feels like bobbing. Oh, was that a 360? Crazy. Why would you go across here when you can clearly see that there's a bridge? Well, I guess not clearly. Computers aren't that smart. What are you doing? Buddy had to pause and like check again. He's got to do another 20 hours of math before he keeps walking. I'm just gonna close my eyes for a bit and wait. Yeah, honestly, this library's not that good. Which is funny because I think it's pretty popular. Okay, we're all off again. Pro keeps doing 360s. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? The swimming is also hilarious. The head just like bobs up and down. What is it doing? Honestly, I really don't think... I think this path... And it stopped again. Unless this is where I told it. I think this is where I told it to come. Okay, so now let's tell it to get into the cave. It's gonna think for another 2 hours, and then it's gonna go. And then we're gonna swap back to the old library that we were using, and then make it go back to spawn, and then make it go directly into the cave and see if it goes across the ocean or along land. If it goes along land, the pathfinding is probably way better. Also because of the fact that there's no like thinking time like this. Like this guy is using freaking Gemini think mode where it like thinks before it responds. Whereas the other library is like Flash. It just responds instantly. What is bro doing? He's gonna drown. I haven't even interfered this time. He just can't swim. Like, bro does not know how to swim. Yep, you're gonna die. Wait. Water breathing. There we go. I'm so smart. Wait, it started swimming. What? Why are you mining? What? Oh, I get it. Oh, that is so stupid. You are so dumb. Why are you doing this? What? Oh, you need to like think again, do you? Oh no, okay. It made the smart choice. Or maybe not. I spoke too soon. I straight up thought it was gonna... It might still. It might just mine down in the water. Because it's stupid. Yeah, we're doing one more test with the old plugin. I mean, old... It is plugin. Old pathfinding library. And then I'm ending stream. How long have I been streaming for? Hour and a half. Damn. Okay, bro is just not doing anything. Is it broken? Oh, okay, I was still thinking. But anyway, it took too long, so I give up with that one. Let's revert. Yep, undo all of that. And there we go. I think that's it. Pathfinder. There we go. That should be everything. Now we just need to add this back. And also remove this. PM install. Okay. Run dev. Now we're going to kill. Oh, it's physics bot again. Nah, can't be having that. Can't be having physics bot. It's gotta be idiot Splix. Yeah, there we go. / kill idiot Splix. Okay, so now idiot Splix is all the way back at spawn, and now we're gonna tell him to go into this cave, and we're gonna see how well he does. Nope, just come. Okay, and he's already moving. Yes, because this pathfinding plugin's so much better. Doesn't have to wait like 2 hours. Okay, so the path is in line with this. Let's see if it goes straight through the water or if it goes around. See, it's so much better. It like found the bridge. It's just so much better than Baritone. Baritone's actually weird. I thought it would be good, but it's not. Okay, let's see what it does here. Oh, it might be swimming. Oh, it is. But it can at least like sprint. Not even sprint swim. It can at least freaking swim. The old one just like drowned itself. Okay, what if I hit it? What if I like disorient it? Like I did with the last one. Kind of just keeps going. Like it's not affected. Okay, yeah, this pathfinding plugin is definitely way more bulletproof. And I'd say it's a lot better to be using on a server with other people who can like affect the bot. The only issue once again is stacking up, but even then it can stack up, it's just slow. Well done, buddy. You did it. Okay, now you're gonna have to stack up again. Get back up to the top. Yeah, that's a shame. This would really be perfect if it could actually stack. Big shame. But it's not the end of the world. I'm just gonna teleport it up here. It doesn't seem to be lagging anymore. There we go. Okay, now get up here. I just want to see how bad the stacking is again. Because it's bad, but it's not hopeless. Hopefully. There we go. Wait, bro's actually stacking. Or not. Yeah, like, it's not that bad. It's not that bad at all. Sick! Did you guys see that? 3 dolphins just jumped out of the water. At the same time. Yeah, the stacking is really not too bad. It's okay, it's bad, but it's not like it works. It's just slow. It's very slow. Sick. Okay. One last thing. What does this do? I really want to know what that does. Oh. Oh, I see. Wait, so then if baritone... Wait, so if baritone has... Oh my gosh, but I have to do so much to go see if baritone has that feature. But it's still worse. But it could... Nah, it can't swim, it can't swim. That's the deal breaker, it can't swim. Baritone is just useless at swimming. So, we can't be using it. Unfortunately. Okay. I wonder if it can make 4-block jumps. Let's do allow movement.can blocks. Oh wait, no, that's probably an array. Blocks to avoid empty blocks. What? Oh, actually. What? How do I disable, like, placing and stuff? Because I don't want... Okay, I can just clear his inventory. Clear at A. Okay, there we go. Now, pretty much, I'm gonna put it on this thing of obsidian. At A, at S. We'll start with 1x1 jumps. We're testing its parkour skills now, literally. Then we will go on to 2x2 jumps. And then 3. Okay, let's just start with this for now before we move on to 4-block jumps. Okay, so we're gonna tell it to come here. What the frick? Wait, it didn't even shocking. Absolutely shocking. How is it gonna do this? It's just gonna drown. Okay, so sometimes the bots just tweak and then they crash out. Unless it's calculating, but it's calculating in water, which is really dumb for obvious reasons. Okay, just come here. Stupid. Yeah, I want to see that again. TP at A at S. Like, it straight up sprinted over the first few. What? Crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, it worked that time. Why did it not work the first time? Crazy. Okay, let's do this as well. And then come. I guess it just got unlucky because it's like doing it fine now. W's in chat. Okay, 4-block jump time. 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no ways, right? Come here. There's no ways. Yeah, it kind of just stopped. You good, bro? You good, man? Okay, what if I tell you to come back here? Yeah, you do it. Like the good little boy you are. Sorry. Lol. Yeah, okay, it doesn't seem like it can do 4-block jumps. Which, I mean, fair enough. Wait, is it gonna do 1? Nah. Does not like the idea of that. Okay, fair enough. And what if I told it... Here, it's not gonna see me though, that's the problem. Fire aspect. Actually, yeah, and like pathfinding here wouldn't make sense anyway, because we need to find the portal first. So, okay, well, I should end stream. I'm so tired. Good night, everybody. Thanks for watching for 2 seconds if you did. Oh, I just realized. Oh. I can like see who's come on stream. Go back. No, I can't. Anyway. Good night, everyone. Thanks for joining. And hopefully I'll be back at this soon. See ya.